Eat healthy, maintain a balanced diet, eliminate processed foods. We hear it all the time, everywhere we look. Messages designed to change the way we think about our eating habits and our health. So why should it be any different for our pets? I'm Simon Taylor, CEO and founder of Rilo's Pet Care, and I'm here today to change the way that you think about how you feed your pets. Let me quickly start by sharing a short personal story with you. My dog is 8 years old and she's part of the family. A few months back she fell ill and we immediately took her to the vet. There she underwent a number of tests and it was discovered that she had a gastrointestinal infection and internal bleeding caused by poor quality processed foods. According to the veterinarians, an issue becoming more and more common. At Rilo's Pet Care, we decided to make a change. We offer pet owners peace of mind by improving their pet's health by means of a balanced, nutritious diet. We achieve this by providing high-quality, natural pet food designed to enhance your pet's well-being and contribute to a long and healthy life. To enhance the experience and ensure quality, we deliver direct from our kitchen to your door. To support my dog's recovery, I began researching not only meal options but suppliers who could meet my requirements. I quickly discovered that my needs were either not available or priced way outside my budget. Further research indicated I was not alone. Health concerns for pets are on the rise and multiple submissions to government are currently under review regarding the subsequent effects of lacking standards in a self-regulated industry. The market is aligned towards convenience and cost efficiency. It is convenient and cost efficient to utilize waste during food production for pet food. It is convenient and cost effective to include low quality, rendered and high glycemic ingredients in pet food production. And it is convenient to package it all in a 5 kilo bag and sell in bulk. But at what cost? Not one mass-produced, shelf-stable pet food provides a complete and balanced diet despite what the label says. The option for a healthy, balanced and nutritious meal for pets at a competitive price is not available. Until now. Using an 8-step design process, the team at Rilo's Pet Care set out to develop a solution to the market gap. By first understanding the limitations of the current product offering, the quality issues, and the effects this was having on a growing number of family pets, the team was able to begin formulating the foundations of a plan. As part of the observation phase and to validate theories and further identify strategic value-adding components, meetings were held with key stakeholders, industry insiders, and buyers. It became apparent quickly that although there was a desire to support a healthy lifestyle for pets, the product simply wasn't accessible or demanded too high a price. Industry insiders confirmed that little was being accomplished due to the majority of veterinary science funding coming from the key suppliers themselves. With this, the team could synthesize its design and develop its goal. Design a readily available, high quality, natural pet food at a competitive price. As part of the ideate stage, work began to turn concept into reality, with multiple recipes being developed to provide a nutritious, healthy and balanced meal plan. Online ordering systems were also theorized, allowing flexibility to our customers when it came to placing orders. Delivery methods would remain with a local courier until key milestones were reached during the launch phase. Whilst it was identified the product itself would not likely change between prototype and launch stage, focus shifted to tackling the issue of convenience. To further improve the value of the product, it would be prepared and separated into meal-sized bags, enabling users to accurately control the pet's daily intake, whilst enabling the company to effectively provide a balanced meal assortment across the period of the week and whilst eliminating any waste. Testing begun, with prototype samples being distributed to a number of pet owners and valuable feedback being received. The product was then refined ahead of its planned launch. To focus on maximizing the feedback and value gain during the delivery stage, the process was broken down into 3 distinct areas of data collection and consideration: who the customer was, what they needed from our product, and what issues they had with the current market. Utilizing a local social media network, Rilo's engaged with 10 volunteer participants, of whom a requirement was to have a dog between 18 and 25 kilos, enabling the company to restrict the serving size to 500 grams. Each was provided with 14 samples to test over the course of a fortnight, along with a questionnaire focusing on key value areas such as perceived quality, packaging, storage, variety, pet morale, and others. Feedback from the customer was then broken down further into what the customer needed to purchase the product, the pain points, and what the customer wanted to see improved, the nuisance points. Pain points for the customer aligned to the need to freeze the product, then thaw, and inconvenience as they needed to remember to get the product out of the freezer 12 hours before feeding. This was further complicated by the fact that the paper packaging would absorb moisture and become soggy when defrosting. Nuisance points for the customers aligned to the product range not supporting other animals such as cats, as the customer still needed to rely on competitors for product. Expansion of the serving size was also an area of improvement to support pet owners with multiple pets of different sizes. Finally, packaging upgrades were suggested to improve the customer's overall experience and also align to environmental and recycling values held. When considering the frustrations with current competitors, the customers outlined that they were concerned with the quality of the processed food, especially due to the higher than normal media attention it had been receiving lately. High prices attached to premium or optimum brands despite any visible change to product, and finally the health-related concerns for their animals. The customers also recognised that they were unable to identify any perceived healthy alternatives within their budget. Utilising the ACAF or Ask, Categorise, Act, Follow-up Customer Feedback Loop method, the trial participants will be offered discount membership for the first 6 months in return for continued valuable feedback associated with the product's development. The feedback received by our volunteer participants provided Rilos with valuable data, enabling the company to further exploit its key values, whilst only requiring 2 pivots related to product packaging and product range. The data collected suggested that in ranked order, the area of biggest concern was the price. It had to be competitive with processed equivalents. Family grocery budgets were set, and further increases could not be supported. Secondly, the pet's health was paramount. If the company could develop a healthy alternative at the same price point as the processed alternatives, the sale was ours. And thirdly, the first of the 2 pivots required, related to the packaging being redesigned to eliminate the need for freezing and avoid moisture buildup. Introduction of biodegradable cryogenic packaging encased in a wax paper branded outer lining would eliminate the need for freezing altogether, whilst enabling the entire 2-week course to be kept in the refrigerator ready for use. One of the major feedback items was online ordering and accessibility. Despite being highly regarded as a critical component of the company's overall value chain, it was decided to postpone the development until successful completion of the minimum viable product stage. Manual ordering and delivery networks would suffice until such time. Likewise, feedback associated with an expansion in meal options to suit pet types and size will also be postponed until completion of the MVP process. A decision to limit the product range will subsequently limit the market opportunity and affect immediate sales. However, this decision will also support lower risk at time of launch. Finally, quality ingredients are key. The company's core values align to disrupting and re-educating the current market about the health concerns related to current poor quality practices, and at no stage should reducing quality be seen as an opportunity to reduce operating costs or increase revenue. After implementing feedback received during the delivery stage, the company has successfully developed a minimum viable product suitable for product launch. To begin with, the product will only be accessible to a small local market, enabling the company to gain sufficient feedback to ensure any further changes can be made prior to the product being released to the entire Melbourne market. Ordering will be placed over the phone, whilst local couriers will be utilised to undertake deliveries. Orders will be taken on a Monday, enabling all meals to be prepared at the same time, ensuring quality, minimisation of operating costs, and reduction of waste, resulting in packages being shipped all together on the Wednesday. The product will be delivered in 500-gram meal-sized packages and contain 14 servings, suitable for a 2-week period, ensuring our customers can gain sufficient exposure to this new product. The company will utilise non-branded packaging to minimise costs associated with artwork and eliminate material being released to the wider community during MVP stage. Finally, to support future adjustments, questionnaires will also be emailed to our clients at the end of the fortnight. In closing, the company shall grow upon its minimum viable product by expanding in accordance with its lean marketing canvas. By introducing online ordering within the first month, this core business component will not only allow for an improved transaction experience, but also develop a base for targeted marketing. An expansion in branded products will also enable the company to penetrate further into the market, consistently gaining market share whilst maintaining its core product values. The company shall exploit its unfair advantage of being the only pet food manufacturer in the market whom can guarantee its products are made from natural ingredients, contributing towards your pet's healthy and long life. The benefits of being a small family-owned and operated company is its ability to be flexible to market requirements and change its course with minimized risk to costs associated. We look forward to maximizing upon this opportunity and thank you for your time. Rilo's Pet Care, improving your pet's health by means of a balanced, nutritious diet.